All right, so now we're going to take a look at this equation. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 2x. I'm going to put my line down the middle. And something weird happens. So 2x minus 2x is 0, and all I'm left with here is 1 equals 1. Well, let's try this a different way and see if I did something wrong. So I have 2x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. Let's subtract the 1's first. So I've got 2x equals 2x. Maybe divide by 2? I've got x equals x. Well, that's interesting. What happens here, and what happens when our x's get eliminated, is that we either end up with a true statement or a false statement. In this case, 1 equals 1 is true. X equals x, that's true. And what this x equals x really tells us is that no matter what I put in for my x value, this is always going to be true. So let's test that out. Let's see if I have, so I've got 2 times, let's pick 10. Plus 1 equals 2 times 10 plus 1. So let's just evaluate both sides and see what happens. So 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1, and 21 equals 21. So that's certainly true that 21 equals 21. Let's try one more thing and see if it changes anything. So I've got 2, let's say, times negative 5. Plus 1 equals 2 times negative 5. Notice I'm putting the same number in for x, because if I have just one variable x, then its value has to be the same for all of the x's. So that gives me negative 10 plus 1 equals negative 10 plus 1, which is negative 9 equals negative 9. So what this whole thing tells me, because I've ended up with this true statement of 1 equals 1, or x equals x, or for that matter, 2x equals 2x, or if we subtracted the 1, 0 equals 0, what that tells me is that this particular equation has what are called infinite solutions. That means that no matter what I put in for x, it will always be true. So hopefully that explains infinite solutions to you.